The 6 sessions of the 12th Manipur Legislative Assembly begins today at 11 a.m. with the Speaker T.H. Satyabrata Singh in the chair. However, the 10 MLAs of the Kuki Jo community did not attend the session despite they were invited to join the sessions by the Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh. Today is the first days of the sessions. The first session was started with the questions as the first agenda. The first questions was raised by the Congress MLA K. Ranjit Singh and answered by the Awangban Newmai Minister of Water Resources in the Assembly. Awangban Newmai, given the reply of the Congress MLA, says that the constructions inside the riverbank is unauthorized. It is illegal. This will lead to the disturbances in the flow of the water freely along its streams. The government's officials recently found many unauthorized constructions inside the riverbanks of the major rivers in the Imphal Valley. The district administration in Imphal East has evicted many illegal installations at the riverbanks of the Imphal River and Naga River recently. This illegal construction is one of the factors to make flash floods in the states, the minister added.
Hojo Jain Legislative Assembly Mamang Daning Ngasi July Tarik Kuntramathoi. Ngasi Hauna Tarani Suba Manipur Legislative Assembly Goina, Taruk Suba Session Panguturbani, Ngasi Session Hoguna Minasida, Lamdamasigi, MLA Minister Singh Hozik, Kunkaduna Hoju Manunga, Assembly How Credible, Lorena Ngasi Assembly Iroina, Ngasi Manipur, Anoba Governor Havatare, Governor appointed Mahaki Wasalo Mini. Badawzi Nasigi Governor appoint Obagi function as Lura Matunda Assembly Damakta MLA Minister Amadiano Governor Yanozi Assembly Assembly become Hobagi from Pako Credo Taruk Suba Taran Suba Manipur Legislative Assembly Taruk Suba budget says Assembly session Asigi Oida Holipa May whom the Hokiba Manipur lady but Tandu Letado from Habatare Masigi and the Om Suba budget session or the Turipani Assembly session or the Turipani Adobo Ahum so basically session at the Manipur lady pa MLAs, including 2 minister, Makoy say or Bobby Wayna, La Pugi from DOD, Adu Makoy say, Landamasiki minister and the personally invite when hybrid from Cameron so from Locato Makoy say Hojuji Pukiwina, Minister Niana. MLA Tara do Hojipokiwina, Europe Tria to Makatana Makusi, Europe, Yoroda have the way Hojipokiwina, Kambugan tree, a assembly session as issue, Numitaram to Pankuka Maramna. I don't know how you go in the assembly session as the budget session or Basumian, the family with the Hojuki, Lady Ba, Holy by Iran, City Horus, no for Basumian, the Dipam, the Mian, the Diwan Camrum, the slogan Camrum, Sulauri, Holy Biran, City Horus in Pornova, two Madam the one of you. I don't know budget session Iran Dugi, Iran, a cigar mail in Iran, Horus in Pornova, Kanakani. Hybrid so Miam, so I say, but has a bump delay, Hiramasi Matanga, video journalist, Siking on Valorem, Paudum Zeriba, the Sikas now, Elite News, SM.